Welcome, little explorers, to the most amazing alphabet adventure.
Are you ready to learn the ABCs with me and my friends?
Hop on board the alphabet train. We're off on a journey to discover the magic of letters.
Look, it's a big juicy A for apple. Hello, I'm Andy the ant and I love to munch on apples.
A is for apple, crunchy and sweet.
Let's sing the apple song. All A is for apple, so yummy and red. A is for apple. Let's give it a cheer.
Next stop, B.
Hi everyone, I'm Benny the bear and this is my bouncy B for ball. Wow, Benny, you're great at bouncing.
B is for ball, bouncing high in the air. All B is for ball. Let's throw it with care. B is for ball, a game we can share. Meow, it's C for cat.
Hello, I'm Clever Kathy and I love to read my C for cat books. Reading is so much fun.
C is for cat, cuddly and smart. All C is for cat with soft, fluffy fur. C is for cat, let's give it a purr. Woof, it's D for dog.
Hi there, I'm Danny the donut and I love to eat yummy D for donuts.
D is for donut, sweet and round. All D is for donut, a tasty delight. D is for donut, let's take a big bite. E, it's E for elephant.
Hooray! I'm excited Emily and I love to slide down the E for elephant slide.
E is for elephant, big and strong. All E is for elephant with its trunk so long. E is for elephant, let's sing a happy song. Splish, splash, it's F for fish.
Ta-da! I'm Funny Freddy and I love to swim in my F for fish bowl.
F is for fish, swimming in the sea. All F is for fish, so happy and free. F is for fish, let's swim with glee. Delicious. It's G for grapes. Giggly Gina, hee hee. I'm Giggly Gina and I love to eat juicy G for grapes. Peppa Pig grapes are my favorite fruit. G is for grapes, purple and sweet. All G is for grapes, a healthy treat. G is for grapes, let's give them a greet. Look at that, it's H for hat. Happy Harry. Howdy partners, I'm Happy Harry, and I love to wear my H for hats. Peppa Pig, wow Harry, you have so many hats. H is for hat, stylish and fun. All H is for hat, let's wear one in the sun. H is for hat, let's have some fun. Joy and happiness. Jump, jump, jump. Jumping is a great way to stay active and have fun. Whether you're jumping high or low, it's always a blast. Look at these characters go. They're having the time of their lives, bouncing up and down with joy. Jumping is not just fun, it's also a fantastic exercise that keeps you fit and healthy. So, let's all jump together and feel the excitement. It's J for jump rope. Jump ropes come in all shapes and sizes. But have you ever seen one shaped like the letter J? It's unique and special, just like you. Jumping rope is a wonderful way to improve your coordination and balance. Plus, it's a great way to challenge yourself and see how many jumps you can do in a row. So grab your J-shaped jump rope and let's get jumping. Jumping Jack. Hop to it, meet Jumping Jack, our energetic friend who loves to hop and jump. Jack is always ready for a new adventure, and his favorite activity is jumping. Whether he's hopping on one foot or doing jumping jacks, he always has a smile on his face. Jumping Jack shows us that staying active can be fun and exciting. So, let's hop to it and join Jack in his jumping adventures. I'm Jumping Jack and I love to play with my J for jump rope. Jumping Jack's favorite toy is his J-shaped jump rope. He loves to see how many different tricks he can do with it. From simple jumps to more complex moves, Jack is always up for a challenge. Playing with a jump rope is not only fun, but it also helps improve your agility and strength. So, let's join Jumping Jack and see what amazing tricks we can do with our J-shaped jump ropes. Peppa Pig jumping rope is so much fun. Even Peppa Pig loves to jump rope. Skipping rope is a delightful way to spend time with friends and family. It's a game that everyone can enjoy, no matter their age. Peppa Pig shows us that jumping rope can bring lots of laughter and joy. So let's grab our ropes and skip along with Peppa Pig. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. J is for jump rope, let's skip and play. Skipping rope is a fantastic way to stay active and have fun. It's a game that can be played alone or with friends. You can create your own jump rope rhymes and songs to make it even more enjoyable. Skipping helps improve your cardiovascular health and keeps you fit. So let's all skip and play with our jump ropes and enjoy the benefits of this wonderful activity. All J is for jump rope, let's jump all day. Jumping rope is an activity that brings people together. It's a fun way to bond with friends and make new ones. When we jump together, we create a sense of community and teamwork. Let's all jump rope and celebrate the joy of being active. Whether we're jumping high or low, fast or slow, the important thing is that we're having fun and staying healthy. So let's jump all day and enjoy every moment. J is for jump rope, hip hip hooray. Let's cheer for the joy of jumping rope. It's a wonderful way to stay active, have fun, and celebrate life. Jumping rope brings smiles to our faces and makes our hearts happy. So let's all cheer and jump together. Hip hip hooray for jump ropes and the joy they bring. Let's keep jumping and celebrating every day. Remember, J is for jump rope and it's always a reason to cheer. Now that we've met all the letters, let's take a journey on the alphabet train. Each letter has its own special place and together they make up the wonderful world of words. Are you ready to join us on this exciting adventure? Let's sing the alphabet train song. As we travel through the alphabet, we'll meet each letter and learn about the sounds they make. All aboard the alphabet train. All A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We learned our ABCs and now it's time to celebrate. Each letter has a unique sound, and together they help us read and write. Let's sing it again, but this time let's add some fun facts about each letter. Hooray for you and me, the end. But wait, there's more. Did you know that the letter A is the first letter of the alphabet and it can make different sounds like in apple and ape? And the letter B is for ball and bat? Let's keep going and learn more about each letter. We hope you had fun learning the alphabet with us today. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at recognizing and using these letters. Keep singing the alphabet train song and soon you'll be an alphabet expert. Goodbye for now, and see you next time on another fun learning adventure.